Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download PhotoLeap application on your mobile phone. So let's get started right away. First of all you have to do is open up your App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have opened the application, go to the search bar and type in PhotoLeap. After that, click on this Get button or Download button. Once you have clicked it, it will continue to download. Once all the verification is done, then your application is ready to download. Once the download is completed, you can simply click on the Open button. After that, your application will be loaded and you are good to go. The application will be presented in your home screen. And there you have it. This is how you download the application and run it in your devices. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also click on the notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in next video.